Hello. Hi, my beautiful people. It's your lady signing in again, Lois Nichols. Welcome on board. Guess what I have today for you? This is my product testimonial, product review section. And guess, my lovely lady is joining me today, and her name is
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth. I love that name. Okay. She's joining me today on the special review. Okay. Because she has tried some of our amazing global bestsellers. Okay. And she's here to share her experience with my people. You know, my lovers, my followers, colleagues, friends, families, and whoever cares to listen. Okay, so if you're just joining us, welcome on board. If you're stumbling across this video, welcome on board. And if you are regular subscribers, you're the reason why we are here. You are the reason why we show up every day. Come rain, sun, snow, we're tired or we're not tired. We keep coming, we keep showing, we keep giving you value, okay? And we're giving you value for money as well with this top quality, absolute quality, absolute products, absolute price products, okay? And guess what? If you love plant-based products, natural products, you will love us. Organic products, non-toxic, herbal. You've heard me say this a million times on this channel, okay? So be my guest, all right? Thank you for joining us. And please watch till the end so you can get value from this video, okay? So, the first product you tried, Elizabeth,
Yes.
I remember,
Yeah,
was the
my
absolute.
favorite. Yeah.
Yes, this is one of our global bestsellers, the absolute Cell Active skincare set. Now, over to you. Tell us.
Right.
By the way,
I love this product a lot.
Yeah.
In fact, I have been someone who, like, I used to have a lot of black spots on my face.
Yeah.
And then pimples. I don't know. If I say pimples, everybody knows it. So
Yeah. They call it acne here.
Acne,
Yeah.
exactly. Sorry.
We call it pimples.
In Ghana. And
Africans we call it pimples.
Yeah.
But yeah, they call it acne.
Acne, okay. So I used to have a lot of acne on my face, and I've tried a lot of products, expensive products. So it got to a time that I just gave up. I said, no, my face should be the way it is. I won't try any product again until I met mommy. And then in fact, it took time for her to convince me. And because she said the product is plant-based, that even gingered me. And I'm a health worker, so I know what natural plant-based products can do for our body and then our skin in general. Yeah. So I just said, let me try. So I took it home. I bought it, took it home, and used it. The first 3 days, as a busy person as I am, was like, no, I can't continue with this because it's 6 different sets, and each of it have a function that it performs.
Yeah.
So I came back complaining to mommy. I said, no, this is too much. I can't continue. But she encouraged me to keep on using so that I'll actually get the best outcome. Yeah. And then I actually went back, used it. Yeah. The first 2 weeks I started seeing improvements. I continued for 3 months, and then my face finally changed. I took a picture, showed it to my husband in Ghana. He was like, whoa, why have you made a plastic surgery or something? And I said, no, it's absolute sex that made the magic. And he was so happy. He even paid my money back to me. Yeah. That's how you should know that it really worked. Yeah. And in fact, I've been using it up to date. Yeah. And it's very good. Yeah. So I recommend it to every lady who is outside there looking for a product that will de-age hair.
And there are a lot of ladies actually who are looking for things like this.
Yes, I recommend it. And one thing is that, Mom, I didn't tell you, when I went to Ghana, I have my cousin that works in Ghana Health Service. She was actually advertising this product to people, and like she was giving a good this testimonies that people have used the product, and then they are telling, and they're even looking for it to buy, and they were not getting. So I said, oh wow.
And this is outside UK.
Yes,
Can you imagine?
yes,
People
that's
are looking
Ghana.
for this product outside of UK.
Yes.
Amazing.
So in fact, it's very good. I recommend it for everyone.
Wow.
Get one in your
Wow.
house.
It's our de-aging set. Okay. It has been tried, tested, and proven to make you look 10 years visibly younger.
Yes.
This reverses the time.
Exactly.
You know, so it makes you like literally younger.
Yes.
Okay, so this is a good one to have. We've got the lotion. It comes in the toner. Then it comes with the serum. The serum. Okay, it comes with the ampoule. The ampoule. This is actually the one that does the de-aging.
Yes.
So I get some people saying, "Oh, I just want that blue one." Okay, I can't afford the set. The set itself is £186. Okay, which is peanuts compared to other similar products out there that are going for like £350, and it's the same thing, if not even ours is even a better quality. I don't want to run down any products, but you can see how far Atomy goes to give us top quality products but at affordable prices. Okay, now it's got the eye cream for the wrinkles and fine lines, dark circles and everything, and then the nutrition cream. Okay, and then which does the final, it's like the final icing on the cake. So this is a big one, 6-piece set. The kind of technology that has gone into this, in fact, guys, I've done a lot of video demos which I'll pin to this this video so that you can actually watch my demos on this. Okay, we don't have the time to go deep into that now. Okay, and then this was the next one you used. I know.
Yes,
I remember you bought it on the same day.
Exactly.
She bought both of them.
Yeah. I actually wanted to experience this one.
Yeah.
And this one also did amazing. It also did good, because everyone has this spots in our faces that usually have this whitish things inside, and I used to have it a lot.
Some people will press it and the whitish thing will come out.
Yes, I was one of those people until I had this. So when I just applied it, all the four, when you apply, the final one has a mask. When you take off the mask, you see that it will be bringing those white things from your face. And the first time you do it, you see that it will bring a lot of it. The next time you do again, it will start reducing, meaning it's gradually taking off everything. And finally now I don't have anything like that.
Because she used the peel-off mask, and she saw that the peel-off mask actually did that for her.
Exactly. Exactly. So in fact, I recommend this for everyone to get one.
Atomy says treat yourself to a lovely spa at home. Okay, why not give yourself TLC? Okay, and my lady is one of those people who says this body is the one working the money, so I got to look after this body. I don't play with my body. I don't mess around with my body. I take care of my body. Okay, so she takes good healthcare supplements, and she uses good beauty products. Okay, I love her for that. Man, this body works the money, innit? We gotta look after this body. All right. And by the way, ladies and gents, please, we did not plan this orange. We look like twins, don't we? We didn't actually plan this. Okay, this is one of those things you say coincidence. Okay, trust me, we didn't plan it. She just wore orange and I wore this. It blended. Oh, why not do a video? Let's get the reviews coming, because she's used a lot of our products. This is another one you use.
Yes.
The probiotics.
The probiotics. Oh, this two helped me a lot. I can't remember before I met this product, I used to have constipation a lot. A fine girl like me, and for 1 week I'm good for
I like that. A fine girl like me.
So I told my doctor, and then he was like, I should take what we call it, fruits,
fiber.
And fiber, a lot of fiber. And I'm actually a nurse too, so I know what fiber can do. But yes, still my constipation, fiber didn't work for me until I met this probiotics. After I took it for 2 to 3 days, I started going to the third day. I went to the toilet and I didn't want to come out. It was like a colleague of mine called and said, Elizabeth, why are you giving birth in the toilet? I said, no.
You don't know where I'm coming from.
Exactly. So in fact, I recommend this for those who have what do you,
highly constipated.
highly constipation.
No, look, I'm even going to say, look, I'm going to expose you on this one. You know, after using it, she now came back to me and said, Mom, that one you gave me, I'm thinking, the pro, and she was pro. And I said, probiotics. She said, yes. She said, I want that probiotics again.
Yeah.
That thing really works. So that thing has saved me,
my God.
you know. And then obviously she's asked me again today. I'm like, it's sold out. She's like, please, the next time you get, please keep one for me, you know. And this is what we get with products like this. People who use it, they get results. They love it. It's effective, you know, and they just keep coming back. Okay. Atomy thrives on auto consumers. People who just use their products, they love it, they've got results, and they just keep coming back for more. Okay, so this is Atomy Probiotics. It's for your gut. Okay, apart from people who are highly constipated, for overall gut health. Okay, I take it for overall gut health. Okay, and it contains 12 different lactobacilli, which is our good bacteria. Okay, that cleanses your colon. Okay, and you know, with a clean colon, then you have a clean bill of health. Your health is it's on point. Okay, so don't play with your probiotics. Okay, now this is another one you took.
Oh yeah,
The Propolis toothpaste.
Yes.
Yeah.
Propylene toothpaste too did amazing for me. After I met this, in fact, any other toothpaste
You changed your brand.
on the past.
That's what I want to hear. I love to hear that.
And it's you.
I don't use any brand.
Yes, except this. And it keeps long too. When you use, I think I started using one since that wasn't March or February there, about it's still there, up to date.
Because it's 200 gram size.
Yes,
Look at it's
very
a
big.
whopping freaking 200 gram size,
Yes.
and it's thick, it's rich, so
Yes.
it lasts and lasts. That's the feedback I get
Exactly.
from people.
Exactly.
You know, when I do a follow up to some of my customers, I'm like,
Yeah.
oh, what about the last propolis you are you sure you're not due for? And they're like, how can I be due? That thing doesn't finish. It lasts and lasts. So you do
Yes.
get value for money on
Exactly.
this. This is £16.50. £16.50, and
Very
they're
cheap.
five 200 gram tubes. So each one is about £3.20 for per piece. You know, come on, for such a plant-based organic products, can you go wrong? This prevents dental cavities, prevents tartar buildup, plaque buildup. It also prevents bleeding gum, helps mouth ulcers, and also prevents bad breath. Okay, so how can you go wrong with this? Okay, so this is our Propolis toothpaste. Send me a DM. Before we go, I'll just like to say, if you like any of our products, okay, I always say, please click on the chat link in the description. It will open up the WhatsApp link. Chat me up and say, I want this product. How can I get it? The reason why I'm saying this is because if you go to a third-party site to make a purchase, you stand the risk of getting a fake product. It's the world we live in, okay? People will copy good things, okay? We can't help it, all right? Now, that is why the company prohibits its products from being sold on third-party sites. So this is my disclaimer. This is the company's disclaimer. You don't get this product from a third-party site. You go there, you buy at your risk, okay? At your own risk, basically. And the thing is, even if you manage to get a genuine product there, you're going to buy it twice, 3 times, or quadruple the price, okay? It's just £16.50. Go check it out yourself, okay? So be careful. Don't be too quick to go out there. We are pioneer distributors of Atomy products in the United Kingdom. I will lead you. This is not me giving it to you. I will show you how you can register free online, okay? And the company will deliver this product direct to you, okay? All right? All I give you is a sponsor ID that connects your purchase to me, so that the company can reward me for being a top distributor. Isn't it? A laborer is worthy of her wages. All right. So thank you so much for joining. Thank you. Mwah. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for your time. And if you have watched this to the end, thank you so much for watching to the end. We love you all, and please remember, stay out of trouble until I see you in my next review. Okay? God bless. Ciao. Bye.